Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through some essential tips and tricks to help you get started and progress quickly in Last Z survival shooter. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So first things first, let's talk about combat. When you are out in the field, especially during those main story missions, your number one priority isn't just shooting, it's moving. You need to get comfortable with dodging all the incoming zombie attacks. Here are some basic steps that you can follow. First, focus on dodging and weaving between the enemies first. Then, once you are in a safe spot, take the time to line up your shots carefully. Then just simply repeat this dodge and shoot tactic. It is much more effective than just standing still. The less damage you take, the further you can get, and fewer healing items you will burn through. Now, when you're not actively fighting, you should be back at your base. Building up your headquarters or HQ is the most important building, so you should always be working on upgrading it. Now, here is why this is crucial. Upgrading your HQ is the key to unlocking higher-level structures and new features for your entire base. Now, don't forget about research. It might seem a little boring, but investing in research is what boosts your productivity, unlocks more new abilities, and speeds up your overall progression in the game. A strong base and solid research foundation will let you gather more resources and advance much faster than other players. Next, let's talk about your heroes. You can't just throw any hero into any situation. You need to manage them wisely. First, pay attention to their strengths. Some heroes are great for combat, while others have skills that make them perfect for resource gathering or exploration, so make sure you assign them to the task they are best at. And as you upgrade them, they'll unlock special abilities that are vital for taking on tougher enemies. This also applies to your gear. As you play and reach more advanced stages, you will unlock higher-tier equipment, so keep upgrading your main hero to make sure they can use their best tools for the job. And finally, let's cover the daily grind. To get the most out of the game, you need to be smart about gathering resources and participating in events. So, when you are sending troops out to gather resources, try using your high-load heroes that actually lets you send large groups at one time, making your collection much faster and more effective. Now, make sure you participate in the daily or weekly events, things like boss battles or loot events, because they offer amazing rewards like diamonds, tickets, and fragments for very minimal effort. And always unlock your daily task chest. These give you a huge bonus and are especially important if you are a free-to-play player. And my last tip, join an effective alliance. This is a no-brainer. Not only do you get help with faster upgrades, but you can also earn exclusive rewards and powerful synergy boosts just for being part of the team. And that's it. You now know exactly how to have a solid strategy for building your base, managing your heroes, and surviving in the zombie horde. I hope you find this guide helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.